Hello again, this is Nigel Galt, Managing Director of Olympic Limited, and this is the second video showing you how to set up the credentials required to use the Google Search Plus add-in for MindManager. In this second video we're going to look at creating the Google Custom Search Engine Identifier. Once again, the link for the site that we're going to visit is in the Google Search Plus help map, which is accessible from within the add-in. So when you click that link, you're going to arrive at the custom search site for Google here. Obviously, if you've never used this before, you will not have any search engines listed. So what we're going to do is create one for use with this add-in. So basically, you can, with these, you can set them up to search individual sites or basically the whole of the web. What we do to start with is just put in star google.com. Okay, leave everything set as it is. You can change the name of this if you wish to. I generally just leave it as it is and then click create. That will actually create an instance of a custom search engine for you. So what we then need to do is go to the control panel, and then we can modify this. All you really need to do here, this was primarily done so that you could create custom search engines for embedding in your own websites or applications, and you can make some customization changes here, which you can see change on the right if you were looking at having an embedded search within a site, for example. We're not really interested in that. All we want to do is make sure that we get a search engine ID. Some of the things we might want to do, if you want the search engine to actually search for images for your search term as well, you'd need to turn that off or on. Okay. At the moment, I've left that off on the example that I'm doing here, but you can turn that on. The rest of it really is not really relevant. The main important part is this down here, which is the sites to search. Now, as you can see, in that initial screen we put a star for google.com. We don't actually need that, so we can delete that here. I only set it up because you do need to enter something when you go through that initial page. So what we're really after here is to be able to search the entire web. Okay, so this means it's going to go through Google's standard global web search. Everything else on there is done. Don't need to do anything with that. We're just going to click the update button so that that's now changed, and then the only thing that we need to do is find our search engine ID, which is here. If we click the button, there's our ID. Grab all of that, and once again copy that into your document wherever you're going to keep that, and now you've got both credentials that you're going to need to use with the Google Search Plus MindManager add-in, and we're going to do a short video to show you how how you set those up initially with the add-in in a little while. So thanks for listening. We hope you enjoy the add-in, and if you have any problems, then please get in touch with me through the olympiclimited.co.uk website.